Alright, so got a little problem here. Thought you fellers could help me out. This bag here is flat. In fact, I noticed, I took it for a little drive, and I noticed she's dragging a little low here. And this bag here she's as hard as a rock. So came up here, looked down in here, and I see this compressor here. It wasn't even hooked up though. I had to hook it up directly to the battery. So it wasn't even hooked up. I don't know how it would even work, but now it works. But the problem is, when you come in here, these buttons here don't do nothing. Look at that. Shouldn't that, at least the left hand side, let the air out when you push? I'm thinking this goes on here like that. That would be to lower the air. But it doesn't do it. None of these buttons do a single thing. Now, I guess I could try turning on the compressor and see what happens, but I'm a little bit afraid of overinflating that one because it's already so hard. But maybe I'll do that, just see what happens. When I took these knobs off, there was some air pressure in here that wait. Why is the... Oh. I didn't see that. It's building pressure. I feel air. There's air leaking out of here. Maybe I should put this in. Wait, I still feel air. Where's that coming from? Feel anything over here. Oh wait, maybe it is building pressure, but why can't I? That's up to 100 pounds. Yeesh, a little bit worried. I hope that that doesn't just... Let me see here. That's still flat. And that's as hard as a rock. That scares me right there. Oh, there's a gauge. Uh-oh.